How to sell items in Hero Wars. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can sell items in the Hero Wars game. If you have some items you no longer use or they are completely useless in Hero Wars, then you can simply go ahead and sell it. So first of all, launch open the Hero Wars game on your device and then click on the inventory button from the lobby screen, which is located at the bottom. Once you're inside your inventory, you'll be able to see all of the resources you have. Select the resource you no longer need and then click on sell on the right corner. Choose the amount of the item you want to sell. You may have one or two. Simply go ahead and choose the number and click on sell. So after you do that, you'll receive the amount. Some items are soul bound or quest related and it cannot be sold, whereas rare items may require recycling instead of selling. Always check the value before selling to avoid losing important gear. So that is how you can easily sell useless items in Hero Wars you no longer need. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.